How does a Type Roman II MSD work? If you are living aboard a boat and wondering how to manage waste effectively, you might be curious about how a Type Roman II marine sanitation device works. This device is designed to treat sewage on board and discharge it safely into the water. Let's break down the process step by step. First, sewage enters the Type Roman II marine sanitation device and flows into an aeration chamber. Here, oxygen is introduced, usually through an air diffuser. This oxygen-rich environment is essential for the next stage of the process. In this chamber, naturally occurring bacteria present in the sewage begin to work. They use the oxygen to digest and break down both solid and liquid waste. This biological process reduces the quantity and size of solids, converting them into simpler and less harmful substances. The aeration chamber keeps everything mixed, preventing solids from settling at the bottom. This ensures that the bacteria can work efficiently, breaking down waste continuously. Once the digestion process is complete, the partially treated sewage moves into a clarification chamber. In this chamber, bacterial solids, often referred to as floc, separate from the treated liquid. This separation is important for ensuring that only clean liquid moves forward. After clarification, the treated liquid undergoes disinfection. This step often involves using a mild chemical disinfectant to kill any remaining disease-causing bacteria. The goal is to ensure that the liquid is safe for discharge. Finally, the clear and solid-free effluent is ready to be discharged overboard. It is important to note that this discharge must comply with environmental regulations. Many areas have strict overboard discharge regulations, so it is essential to be aware of local rules. Type Roman II marine sanitation devices are particularly beneficial for boaters because they do not require long-term storage of sewage on board. The waste is treated continuously and can be safely discharged, which is a significant advantage for those living aboard. However, boat operators must maintain their systems properly. In regions with strict overboard discharge rules or designated no-discharge zones, treated waste may need to be retained on board until it can be pumped out at a designated facility. In summary, a Type Roman II marine sanitation device works by using oxygen-dependent bacteria to digest sewage in an aerated environment, followed by clarification and disinfection. This process allows for the safe discharge of treated wastewater, making it an essential system for those living aboard a boat.